afternoon, students. Last class we have studied about properties of square number. Now next topic we have to study about Pythagorean triplet. What it is? Triplet means three number will come in pairs. Just I will explain by geometrically it is if any right triangle is given. Right triangle means one angle will be 90 degree, means triangle A, B, C. In this one is angle B is 90 degree, and this both angle will be acute angle. So this right triangle having three parts, three sides. So opposite of 90 degree, that side will be AC. So that is called hypotenuse. And two other sides are there. Either this one is base and this one is perpendicular will come. We can say. So BC is called base and AB will be perpendicular. Pythagoras is the name of mathematician. He given this triplet and this formula in right triangle. Hypotenuse means square of hypotenuse. Just we can symbolic. Hypotenuse is H and base is B and perpendicular is P. So Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras has given one formula in this triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides, means P square plus B square. This will be applicable for only right triangle. We have to not apply for any other triangle. If right triangle is there, then we can apply Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras formula. This is called Pythagoras formula. In this means sum of two square number is equal to square of third number. That will be bigger number, because in hypotenuse, in right triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side in this whole side, all three sides. So this is longest. If any three number will take, just I am taking three number 3, 4, 5. So this is the bigger number. So this will be maybe hypotenuse, and this both will be maybe base or perpendicular. Just I am taking AC is equal to 5. So BC is equal to 4 centimeter. AC will be 5 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, and AB is equal to 3 centimeter. Now apply this property. This will be follow or no. So just we have to find H square, means this one is H, this one is B, and this one is P. So H square means 5 square. 5 square means 25. Now B square means 4 square. 4 square equal to 16. Now next P square. P square means 3 square. 3 square means 3 3 are 9. So just you add B square plus P square, 16 plus 9 LHS. Just this one is will take this one is LHS and this one is RHS. So we have to verify this formula for this number. It is applicable or no. So LHS is H square. LHS is equal to H square. H square is 25. Now RHS is P square plus B square. P square means 9 and B square means 16. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. See here both are equal, means we can say this formula is applicable in these three numbers. So these three numbers are coming in pair. That's why these three numbers will called Pythagorean triplet. So just this is one of the example of Pythagorean triplet. Others example we can take also. Means 6, 8 and 10. Second example. This one is the first example and this one is the second example. 6, 8, 10. In this also we can apply Pythagorean triplet, will be applicable. Just you find 10 square means 10 into 10, 100 will come. Again 8 square means 8 into 8, 64 will come. Now 6 square means 6 into 6, 36 will come. Now, this is the 10 is the bigger, so square of bigger is h square. So this is called h square. So h square will be h square is equal to 100, and we can take this one is, so this one is s square, this one is p square, and this one is b square. So p square is equal to 64 and b square is equal to 36. Now add this smaller number, p square plus b square. So 64 plus 36, this will come 100, that will be equal to h square. So equal to, we can put here h square. So both are equal. So we can say that this one also Pythagorean triplet. So this type of triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. So it is one of the format is there in the Pythagorean triplet. So just to remember this format always, that will be helpful in exercise problem. So format is 2m. First smallest number will be 2m, and after this bigger number m square minus 1, and biggest number will be, that will be m square plus 1. So this is the hypotenuse and this is the base and this will be perpendicular. You can take this one perpendicular, this will be interchange, but this is the biggest number. So biggest is always hypotenuse. This is the biggest, and this one is maybe smaller than. So these both are maybe perpendicular, and this will be base. And biggest is always hypotenuse. So this will be always hypotenuse. So this format will be helpful in exercise problem. If something asking question, just you check Pythagorean triplet. These three numbers are following Pythagorean triplet or no. So just you have to put in this format. If this type of format is coming, then it will be sure. We can say that it is Pythagorean triplet. Or we can use this formula also for verify Pythagorean triplet. So this is the topic, and after that I will explain in exercise how I will solve or how I will verify Pythagorean triplet. That's all.